Today we will see concept hierarchy and data cube measures. Concept hierarchy. A concept hierarchy defines a sequence of mappings from a set of low level concepts to higher level concepts, that is more general concepts. Consider for example a concept hierarchy for the dimension location. So the city location Vancouver, Toronto, it is the city location. Okay, and the lowest level is the branches or offices of the all electronic shop. Then this is the city location. After that, these are the countries. Then these are the regions, and this is the whole world. So this is called as the concept hierarchy, that is a sequence of mappings from low level concepts to higher level concepts. Okay, so here the concept hierarchy is for the dimension location, from city, then country, then region, and then whole world. Okay, so that is the concept hierarchy. Then next topic is data cube measures. So data cube measures is having a three categories. First of all, what is measures? So measures is a numeric function that can be evaluated at each point in the data cube space. A measure value is computed for a given point by aggregating the data corresponding to the respective dimensions. So measures can be organized in three categories: distributive, algebraic, and holistic. So distributive measure means which is computed in a distributed manner. For example, suppose the data is partitioned into n sets and we are applying the function on each partition. So, and then we are again collecting the data or summing that data. So the function applying to the set of attributes, subset of the attributes, is same as we are applying the function to the whole set. That is called as the distributive aggregate function. For example, sum. If we are applying sum on the data on the values of for example, we are applying the sum on 10 values, and we are dividing that 10 values into 5 and then we are applying the sum function, then the total of both the functions are same. So that is called as the distributive functions. Another distributive functions are count, then mean, and max. We are applying on the same whole data, as well as we are applying by partitioning the data into subsets. It is same. Okay, then algebraic. Next measure is algebraic. An aggregate function is algebraic if it can be computed by an algebraic function with m arguments, where m is a integer, positive integer, and each of which is obtained by applying a distributive aggregate function. For example, average. Average is sum divided by count. So both sum and count are distributive aggregate functions. So this average is the algebraic function. Okay, then holistic function. If there is a no constant bound on storage size, like here there is a m is the constant value, so here there is no constant bound on the storage size, then that function is called as the holistic, like the median, mode, and rank. Thank you.